What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how and when to wear a black suit, and if you even need one in the first place. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Donovan Williams, salute. Now, a lot of times the topics for the videos on this channel come from questions you guys ask me. But today's video, a little different. It actually comes from a question I've been asking myself. And that question is, have I been being fair to the black suit? Now, here's what I mean. Most of the time when I'm talking about the suits guys need, I never recommend a black suit. In fact, most of the time, I advise against it. However, a lot of times when I'm giving you guys style guidelines, I often tell you it's okay to break the rules. They're just guidelines. So I need to take my own advice and reconsider the black suit. Case in point, on today's video, I had to wear a tuxedo. This is the closest thing I have to a black suit. I never even owned one. Is that a mistake? That's what we're going to find out today. I'm going to go over the pros and cons of a black suit, why you might have one in the first place, and maybe I'll reconsider and break my rule about black suits. So without further ado, let's break down how and when, and if you should have that black suit. Now, one of the reasons why I've always advised against black suits is that they just don't look that good during the daytime, especially when you're at work, out of office. There's something about the way the natural light hits a black suit. It doesn't come off that well, and black during the daytime is just a little too stark in my opinion. Now, I'm not going against my advice about wearing a black suit in the office or during the daytime, but at nighttime, that's a whole different story. Especially the artificial light of a club, a ballroom, or even the nighttime lights outside, black suit looks killer. So one of the reasons why you might go for that black suit, looks great at night. Now, another argument I've made against the black suit in the past is that when it's trying to get fully suited and booted and be formal, you need a tuxedo, bow tie and all. And I still don't disagree with that. However, what about those times when you're just a notch below formal, maybe semi-formal, where a tuxedo is too much? Those times, I definitely probably would prefer having a black suit over the complete monkey suit. So if you have an occasion where you need to get dressed up, but a tuxedo's a little too far, it might be time to pull out that killer black suit. Now, in the past, I've shied away against advising about a black suit because I don't think it's the first suit you to have. It's not very versatile, like a gray or a navy suit. Gray and navy, very conservative. Black suit, far from it. If you want to be a little more rebellious, a little rock and roll edge, black suit works way better than your boring gray or navy. So instead of people like me that might throw on a biker jacket for a little edge, maybe a nice killer black suit is a rebellious move to make as well. Now let's talk a little bit about how that black suit should look if you do get one. One of the things I've always advised against getting a black suit is that the simple starkness of a black suit, easy to get wrong if you don't tailor it right. So if you're gonna get a black suit, make sure it fit well, razor sharp, and fits your silhouette perfectly. A black suit that doesn't fit well can look sloppy. However, on the other hand, a razor sharp black suit, man, killer. Makes you look suave and sophisticated. So one of the great things about having a black suit, when you get it just right, super suave. Now, another one of the great pros of having a black suit, to me, it's the best suit to wear broken apart. Here's what I mean. Gray and navy suit, when you wear the pants by themselves or the jacket by themselves, kind of looks like you're missing something. On the other hand, a black suit broken apart looks pretty great. There's something killer about wearing a black jacket by itself. Maybe with a rebellious t-shirt underneath, some black jeans, some black Chelsea boots. I wouldn't do that with another suit. So when you're thinking about a suit that looks great broken apart, to me, black suit, the way to go. Now, another reason to have a black suit kind of goes along those lines. To me, a black suit looks killer with a pop of color or some pattern. Say, for example, you have the black suit on, but you throw maybe a red shirt underneath. That's a great combination. Or you might have a t-shirt or something with a pattern with some stripes. Gray or navy suit or something more conservative doesn't look as good to me with the pop of color like that killer black suit. And last but not least, the final reason why you might want to have a black suit, it looks great, monochromatic. I'm talking black head to toe. Now, if you want to be lean, sophisticated, and suave, black head to toe pulls that off. black suit head to toe, taking up another notch. Whether you got a black suit with a black shirt, black tie underneath, or even if you choose to rock a black turtleneck or a black t-shirt head to toe. When you're talking about a monochromatic look, no suit does it better than that black suit. Okay, so there you have it. My hows and whens you should wear a black suit and whether you should have one in the first place. Let me know in the comment section if you rock the black suits. Because after doing this video, I think I'm gonna correct my blind spot and make my next suit a black suit. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.